Hello everyone, welcome to my family therapy session role play. This family consists of mother, who is Michelle, father, who is Anthony, and the two children, Marie and Michael. Prior to meeting with the family, I had each family member fill out a survey based on family history. These questions were based off history of substance use, mental health, domestic violence, and so on. I reviewed these surveys prior to bringing the family in for therapy together. So for the first segment, thank you all for joining me today. I would first like to start off by getting to know each of you. So if you don't mind, I would like each of you to take turns speaking and tell me something positive that has happened this week or something that you enjoyed doing. Michelle, would you mind going first? Thank you for sharing, Michelle. It sounds like your coworkers have been a good support system for you when you were having a stressful day at work. I am glad to hear that you have such a great team to work by. Anthony, do you mind going next? Thank you for sharing, Anthony. I am glad that you look forward to having dinner every night with your family. That's extremely important to have that quality time. Marie or Michael, will one of you go next? Thank you for volunteering, Michael. Oh, wow. It looks like you really enjoy hanging out with your friends on the weekends and reading books. That's really neat. And finally, Marie. Thank you for sharing. I love that you do yoga every morning to start off your day. I think that's a great form of self-care. Next, I would like to tell you a little bit about myself. I am a licensed social worker who will be working with you guys over the next few weeks or so. My goal for you guys is to help you establish family goals with the help of therapy and to help teach you all new techniques on how you can all work together when things get tough. So this would include supporting and allowing each of you to be heard in this group during these sessions. This is to be a safe place where everyone will be expected to be respectful and allow each other to speak openly about what is on their minds. Is everyone okay with this? Well, thank you all for agreeing on that. I will also ask for each of you to participate in these sessions as it is so important that everyone can speak about their feelings and thoughts on the family problem. At any point, if someone needs to take time or a moment or step out, please just raise your hands and we'll take a break. Is everyone okay with this? Okay, awesome. Let's begin. And now this will be the second segment. And a little back history on the second segment. In discussion with Michelle, she expressed feeling stressed out, overwhelmed, and tired due to Anthony not helping her enough with household responsibilities and with the children. Mother made a comment during the session on how it would be nice to not come home from work and have to prep dinner and do laundry. Anthony then got upset during the session and shouted back at Michelle. Anthony shouted back how she is too sensitive to deal with and that he would rather just leave the home or ignore her. In session, this is how I would address this concern. Now, Michelle, I'm hearing that you have a lot on your plate at home, and I understand that there is a lack of help and support that you have. So a way that I would like you to express yourself to Anthony is by using what I call I statements. So instead of saying, you don't do this, Anthony, or you don't do that, let's try using I statements. And I statements allows you to take responsibility for how you're feeling, thinking, and what you need from Anthony. The purpose of I statements is to explain your situation from your perspective in an effective way, and what your request is from Anthony to help through this situation. So for an example, you saying to Anthony, I feel upset when I can't come home to relax, but instead I have a bunch of other things that need done around the home. Are you able to try this? Great. And now, Anthony, what are your thoughts on this? And are you able to try using I statements as well to express yourself? Okay, so now that we tried I statements, do you see how more effective you were able to communicate about your feelings and the support you need from one another in order to improve on the family situation? Okay, third segment. Thank you all for participating today. This is such a great start in how to effectively communicate with one another and simply taking the time to understand where each other is coming from. I would like you all to try communicating and using I statements with each other rather than blaming or shaming one another, and having a sit down and talking about your feelings, your thoughts, and what you need to feel supported. I would also like each of you to go home and individually come up with a list of both your strengths and weaknesses for yourself as well as your family. And when you bring back your list, we will slowly, each session, start to go over them and try to work through these family conflicts together. I look forward to seeing you all in the next session, and I hope you had a great first start. I will see you guys then. Thank you.